Hi, I'm Hillary Hess. We're going to show you today how to make our delicious berry lemonade. You're going to love this recipe for all the things in your life, whether it's just every day at home or for weddings or baby showers or parties. It's such a showstopper and it's really easy and it's fresh and delicious. It's a really fun thing to make even in the winter like right now because it's citrus season and lemons are all in season along with all the other citrus fruits. And so I hope you enjoy this and get a dose of your daily vitamin C. So you could also make this lemonade with mangoes if you wanted to, or peaches, or you could just do strawberries and not the triple berry. So tell me in the comments, what would you put in your lemonade? What's your favorite lemonade to have?